Hey guys, if your microphone in Windows 11 has noticeable latency or delay while recording or during calls, don't worry, this can be fixed quickly with a few settings adjustments. First, right-click the sound icon in your taskbar and select Sound Settings. On the input, make sure your microphone is selected, then click More Sound Settings. Click on the Recording tab and double-click your microphone. Go to the Advanced tab and make sure the default format is set to CD quality or higher, but avoid extremely high sample rates that can increase latency. Uncheck both options under exclusive mode, which allow applications to take exclusive control of the microphone. Click Apply and OK, then test your microphone again. Next, check your recording software or game settings. Make sure the endpoint buffer size is set low and disable any unnecessary effects or noise suppression that can add delay. If you're using USB or wireless microphones, try switching to a direct wired connection or a different USB port to reduce processing delay. Updating your audio drivers can also help. Open Device Manager, expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. After updating, restart your PC and test the microphone again. Following these steps usually fixes microphone latency in Windows 11 for calls, recordings, and streaming. If this video helped you fix microphone delay, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.